I'ma just name this video how I made.
All we're doing is making calculated risk.
Like, this is something that we're doing. We're just playing the same game that the banks are playing. It's all about showing up with intention.
This is what it takes to be disciplined. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy KEO, back at it again with another video full of great value, packed out content, and of course, you know, a little bit of trading and motivation there along the way. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Today is November 18th, 2024. And yeah, let's go ahead and check in on the Fowler 500, get everything set up, send out my analysis, then go check in with the guys. You already know, another regular, degular, schmegular day. So let's get right into it, guys. Don't want to waste you guys' time. Like I said, here to give you guys value. So let's get it. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the S&P 500. Mind you, I'm actually on the micros account. So let's go ahead and over. I'm going to go to the December contract because, you know, we're still in that time period. I'm going to go ahead and clean up all my charts just because anytime I am making any videos or just doing any kind of setups, I definitely want to make sure I have the cleanest setup so not only I can see it and everybody else that I'm teaching can see exactly what I'm talking about. So understanding that trading is a game of psychology, all we're essentially looking for is psychological areas for the markets to react from, right? So for example, we're going to go ahead and mark up some daily highs and lows because for me, those have the best amount of liquidity laying above them. So right here, this would be a previous day's high. So we're going to mark off this previous day's low. Previous day's high, previous day's low, very high reaction areas where you can see a reaction in price, meaning based off of the strategy that I trade, these are areas that I'm looking for. So essentially points of interest, right? So points of interest that I'm looking for a reaction. So yeah, we got the London high, we got our London low. I'm gonna mark off this Asia high. Why's that? Because again, liquidity rests at specific areas, psychological areas, and that happens to also be session highs and session lows. So we got previous day's high, previous day's low, marked up. We got our Asia, London session. Now let's go down to the 5-minute real quick. See what we got here. We got any pre-market liquidity? Well, we look down here to the bottom side. We have sell side liquidity resting right here. And mind you, this is all before 9:30 market open time, Eastern Standard Time. So we still got pre-market liquidity building up over here. Let's see. Looking at this gap right here, this has already been tested and we ran it. Let's make this, yeah. Here, so it'll probably make a new high. I'm just gonna assume that we're gonna make a new high. But again, this is pre-market sell side liquidity. Again, something that I take, thinking that most people don't, but I definitely think you should because getting high level of liquidity. You have to think about it. There's a lot of traders that are trading here prior to the market. People are trying to make money before they go to work, or either they're trying to make money before the market's open so they can finish their days early. Me, I'm an intraday trader, so it doesn't really make sense for me to hop into a trade pre-market unless I'm up that early. Granted, I prefer to come when there's a lot of volume because for me, it just makes the most sense, right? Again, I'm taking calculated risk, so I want to make sure that I'm in at a good enough time to where I'm not really stressing. I'm not really worried about what's to potentially come. I'm already looking at potential reaction areas psychologically. So I know where we can see a reaction in order for price to continue in a specific direction. So right here, it says about 52% short, which isn't too much of a bias for me to consider that I want to go long. It's pretty mixed, not gonna lie, pretty mixed, but I'm gonna do what we can. Let's check the heat maps. Very red, so it looks like we could have a continuation of a bearish day. So far, just based off of fundamentals, I know for a fact we don't really have news this morning, so that's probably going to be out of the question. We've been fairly bearish, so we could continue a bearish trend. So with that being said, let's look at the higher time frame. Let's see this. So we already know what the daily range is. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay. So where are some points of interest price could potentially win? So looking at this 4 hour, we have this gap right here. So using ICT concepts, which is what I trade, or smart money concepts. Granted, to me, all the concepts are about the same. It just all depends on your perspective of the markets. Granted, I just feel at ease the most using ICT concepts. So with that being said, I'm going to mark off some potential areas of interest where the market could potentially target. So looking at for higher time frames, like we already got the previous day's high, previous day's low. So if we were to run this London high, we got a gap right here. And essentially all these gaps are just areas of imbalance, right? So thinking back to the last video I mentioned, how I told you guys we're playing a game against the banks, right? So think about it again, same concept. So the name of the game is buy high, sell low. And as you guys can see, price has been going high and now it's going lower, right? Markets go up, markets go down. So when we are in trending conditions like this, such as a bullish market, we expect something like this to happen. We expect price to do something like this, where we go up and we pull back and we continue to go higher, right? So overall, we're in a higher time frame, bullish uptrend, right? But granted, the market still can't just keep going up and up and up forever, right? So with that being said, we know for a fact that the markets have to pull back. Granted, we see how far they're pulling back now, but that's why tools such as these, such as fibs, come into play like this, where you can see specific levels. So we're about within this whole range right here, about 50%, right? So for me, I like that. That's still a good enough percentage for me to take a buy position, right? And the only reason I say that is because we're now in a discounted area, right? So this was a premium area to buy, right? You don't want to buy anything at a premium. You always want to buy everything at a discount. So think about it. Anything that you're doing, even if you're doing Amazon FBA or just any kind of flips, you always want to buy products for a very low cost and then resell it for a higher value. So essentially, what this chart is showing us right here, this 4 hour gap, because price has shot up so high, it gave the average retailers, those who are looking for those shorts, right? Or those who are looking for the longs, sorry, they were wanting to get in on this trade, but the markets and the banks and institution pushed it up so quickly, as you guys can see, leaving gaps in between. It basically made the markets unfair to trade for the retail traders. So for us, it is up to us to spot these different points of interest for us to spot a potential psychological reaction area, right? So this is a potential area I can see price coming back down to. Granted, what do we see right here? We see the 62%, which again, that's better than getting 50% off, right? So yeah, again, I want to see liquidity ran. That would probably ease my mind once more if we were to go back to the top side, considering most people are short. But again, it's only slightly. So we're just going to take today with a grain of salt and react and adapt as always and take what we can get. So with that being said, guys, I think this is something of what I'm going to be looking for. Granted, I do all my markups off the 15-minute time frame. So let's just see. We could have a reaction from here to the downside to go higher. So that's one idea. Or I can see us potentially coming up higher and reversing from one of these points over here somewhere. So right here's a good area we could see reactions from, and I can see reactions to the downside. So there's the potential to see longs and shorts. But what is my bias? So let's go ahead and mark that up real quick because we got about 10 minutes. And mind you, all of this is hopefully going to be chopped up. Hopefully this isn't as long in long format pre-market analysis. So, all right, so we got about 52% short. Got bullish fundamentals. No, that was not bullish. Far from bullish. That was very bearish. And then our technicals, also, I'm not going to lie. Overall, in the high time frame, we are bullish. But on the short time frame, let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour. I like the 1 hour. So to me, it looks like we're pretty bearish at the moment. Granted, again, we could come back, take out this high one more time and come lower. So let's just say we are currently bearish. Because for the last few days, we've actually been bearish. So a lot more bearish than anticipated. So with that being said, I guess we are probably looking for sales today. So yeah, this is my market analysis, pre-market analysis. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and send this out to $500. Make sure they get the idea what I am looking for today. But yeah,
I guess I gotta end it.
Recording stopped.
Let's make sure that recording is gonna save. Yes, so just finished up with that recording. Bearish bias sent out to the Fowler 500 mentorship. And with that being said, guys, we got about 5 minutes until market open. So now it's time for your boy to get active. Let's see. Yeah, your boy's still active. We recording now. You see your boy mic'd up. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's go see what the VIP is up to, man. Let's go see what the guys are up to. As always, hoping everybody's gonna eat. But yeah, not every day is going to be a trading day. So like today, I'm not really expecting much out of today. So I guess we'll see what happens. All right, so we got VIP right here. Let's go ahead and join up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We live today, man. We're going to see what we can get out of today, though. My boy in the red room. What happened to everybody? I thought we was doing the red room.
Red room?
Yeah, like my boy Jay over here.
Right. You know, my boy got a purple background talking about what happened in red room.
Dang, got mine.
I still think we have room to come up a little bit. But I like possible short-term shorts. I'm overall bullish, though, because anybody that was here from yesterday, I'm overall bullish on US 30 based off the weekly and monthly. But what I'm looking at right now, I like more shorts. What's the 4 hour looking like? And there's a 4 hour gap right there. Boy, oh boy.
So we're gonna see if we have a little reaction to the upside. I kind of want to see that pre-market liquidity right there. I want to see that smacked. I think we're looking good. We've got shorts, we got sellers interested, and now I think we're gonna go look to take them out once more, maybe. So we've got them interested. We can go take out sellers, then potentially get buyers interested, making them want to buy the markets back up just to send it back down, which ultimately would fall in line with our bias that we have set up for the day. So let's just see. All right, I guess it's time to do some push-ups. Might as well go ahead and get some in, get a little pump in when we're going. Because at the end of the day, guys, really, like I said, all we're doing is making calculated risks based off of our judgment and analysis. And I don't want to be sitting around at the charts all day, so go ahead and get it in while you can, I guess. So I don't even know how many I'm at, but where we at? Where we at, gang? I don't know. No pain, no gain. All right, I don't know how many push-ups I did, but hey, in the meantime, looks like the markets are finally moving. So yeah, do something productive while you're trading. Like me, I probably should go, I want to make some tea, but I already got some water. I might make some tea still. Let's finish getting this money on, though. All right, so you guys can see, price just kind of jumping around, not even really doing anything, a little back and forth at the open. You guys can see that line, that's where we opened up at. But now we just been up, down. So hopefully in the next 10 minutes, we'll get some volume. We should. It's coming into that power hour volume time. So we'll see what the vibes is. That is crazy, though. We've been at the same spot, even on ES. So, I mean, they're all moving together. I guess depending on what we do. We got 2 minutes till that volume hopefully kicks in. You do what you want when you buy. Shit, they could do this one more time and then come lower. Alright, push up time. Again, we're just watching paint dry, so might as well do something productive to kill some time. Alright, quick little 25 piece, man. So I guess as we're waiting, markets really haven't done anything. Really just been sitting on my hands and forcing myself to do something uncomfortable. And that's how we're approaching today. No pain, no gain, baby. Let's get it. All right, so we have hit that pre-market liquidity. Now looking to see some volume to the downside, hopefully. So we can take out some of these lows. We still got pre-market lows. Or we could go up higher one more time. There's still the London high above, so we could hit that before coming lower. But I definitely like the shorts, but we'll see what the vibes is. Hopefully we start to come lower now, maybe. Y'all have a blessed one. And just like that, the trading morning is officially over. I was looking for bears, but today it just kept going up and up and up. Even if I were to look for longs, I had no opportunity to really get long. And I really didn't have an opportunity to get bearish, like what my bias was pointing out. I wanted bears, I wanted the shorts, I wanted to sell. I just couldn't get a good setup. But with that being said, guys, this is what it takes to be disciplined. And yeah, so this is today how I made $0 in the markets. But you know what that $0 means? That means we get to live to trade another day. We protected our capital and we are risk-free for the day. So now I can go about my day happy and pretend that this morning never happened and stay productive throughout the rest of the day. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's get it, man. All right, we're going handheld now. As y'all can see, all black, typical attire. If you ever see me out, I'm usually wearing black or white or something super vibrant, but for the most part, just black for today. It's Monday vibes, you know, we're still killing it. But yeah, rocking the bag from Bay. We got the spray grounds. Gotta have some nice glasses. And of course, this is probably gonna be the last time y'all gonna see me looking crazy for a minute. Just mainly because your boy's getting a haircut tomorrow, finally. So let's go ahead and go about our day. Retro been kicking it, waiting to go to the park. You ready to go to the park? Look at it, yeah. You guys are basically watching what I just edited. So now I'm going on to the second part of the day. Retro's ready, I'm ready. Are you guys ready? I don't think y'all ready. Because if you were ready, you probably would have liked the video already. You probably would have been subscribed to the channel. And you probably would have showed me a little bit of love down in the comments. But you know, I ain't gonna say nothing. If you did it, you did it. Hey, if you didn't, it is what it is. You know, even though we showed up today and we made no money, it's all about showing up with intention. Preparation is really the foundation of greatness. So like, granted, we came in prepared today to make some money. Either way, I was still prepared to not take a trade at all. So if you can take anything from me, all I gotta say is, look, we got a dub today. I'ma just name this video how I made $0 today and won. That's crazy. This man out here been trying to chase squirrels the entire time. Come on, bro. Hey, Broseph. Retro. Walking like a good dog. Come on. No squirrels. Loves the squirrels.
Yeah.
Loves to meet people for sure. Alright, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Trying to walk a dog at the park while getting content. Not just any dog, a puppy at that. It's not that easy. I'm just gonna let y'all know. But your boy's done getting a little outside workout. About to go get a pump in. Even though I did some push-ups. Maybe getting back in enough time, because after I get back from the gym, your boy has to work. So yes, one thing if you didn't know, your boy does have a job. And this is why I tell everybody that trading isn't passive income. It's not an everyday thing. You're taking calculated risks. So whenever you're doing these trades, you're taking these trades, like, you have to remember, like, this is something that we're doing. We're just playing the same game that the banks are playing, right? We're just learning how to put our money into our own accounts, into a broker, aka a bank account, and we're simply just learning how to flip our money. You know, the banks are giving you less than like 1% a year on the money that's sitting in your account. So if that tells you anything. And we trying to do 1%, you know, 2%, 3% a day, a week, and even a month, like, that's still good. You add that up consistently over time. Alright guys, just finished a quick workout session. My guy's going through the wrong way. But hey, That's why I got them dash cams. But yeah, your boy just got done working out. Quick session, nothing too crazy, man. And again, a lot of you guys think you gotta go crazy in the gym, man. If you just want to be consistent, you know, just take it a step at a time. You know what I'm saying? 1% a day, right? And a little quick fun fact for you guys, 1% a day is only 15 minutes out of your day. And granted, I don't even believe in time. Time is just a concept, but regardless, I have my reasons why I get up and go hard every single day. You should too. And health is wealth. Health is one of the reasons why I want to wake up and go hard every day. I want to live a long, lasting, healthy life for my family, right? I want my family to see me around. Granted, I can't stop natural causes and things that potentially happen, like me vlogging and driving right now. This is a little dangerous. I don't recommend. But hey, you see my eyes, they're focused. I'm laser focused on the prize. Just like when we're moving in life, we keep looking straight. And when we want to look back, we just glance just to see something in the mirror. You know what I'm saying? We just glance and we keep moving forward. We keep pressing forward. But yeah, just finished my workout. About to finish getting caught up on this vlog. So if you guys haven't seen it already, or I don't know when you guys will be seeing this, but it'll be out soon. Hopefully by the end of the day. Like I said, your boy has to work after this, unfortunately. I'm not going to show you guys that part of my day because honestly, what real value does that bring to you guys? I don't plan on showing you guys that. I just want to bring you guys as much value as possible, whether it's business, trading, music, content, social media, whatever the case may be. I'm here to show you guys how to get a bag many different ways. As you know, well, you probably don't know, but you guys should go stream this song, Infinite Tsukiyomi, by me and my brother Van. And yeah, we went crazy on that, and that's another reason why I want to show you guys this day in the life, this behind the scenes stuff, because being a CEO is not easy. You got to know what it takes. I feel like I know what it takes to be great and all the above. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing day to day, because you guys look at me in a certain way and I view myself in a certain way. But at the end of the day, I'm here to just give value, change lives, and help you guys grow. Of course, gotta show you guys how to get the bag. Like I said, stream that song, Infinite Tsukiyomi, me and my brother Van. That's why I wrote that bar. Cake up every day, yeah, when I wake up. Get money many ways, can't take a pay cut. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys a lot of stuff. Tax strategies. I know some tax strategies. I know tax people. So if you guys need somebody for your taxes, tax season is around the corner, guys. Go ahead and tap in with your boy. I'm gonna get y'all right, especially if you're a business owner, bro. If you're a business owner, you got you an LLC, bro, you need to be taking advantages of write-offs. Granted, I'm sure you probably know that if you are a business owner. But that's the best part about being a business owner here in America. Granted, we all hate paying taxes, but there's different loopholes in the system. Many different loopholes. Whoa, this lady drove crazy close. But yeah, I think I've been yapping too much. I'm gonna get back to the crib, get this content chopped up. But yeah, again, if you guys been liking this content so far, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications on too, just so you know when the next drop is. And of course, leave me a comment below on any questions that you guys may have, or any future video ideas or anything that you guys may want to see, because right now I'm really just kind of freestyling everything. I do use AI for things and ideas to help me out, which, you know, we live in that day and age. But again, let me stop yapping, let me get driving, let me go.
I'm just saying.